Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save LibreOffice Calc file as Excel file. So here is our LibreOffice Calc file, and what we're going to do is click here and then we're going to choose Save As. And then from here, instead of the ODF spreadsheet, I want you to click that one and change this to Excel 2007 or whatever is the latest on your PC. I'm going to go ahead and click that over there, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this in the desktop. And let's go ahead and name this LibreOffice to Excel. Click the Save button, and then we're going to confirm. Click this. All right, and then let's go ahead and open that one. So it's in our desktop, and we should be able to see it here. There you go. LibreOffice to Excel. I'm going to go ahead and double click that one, and it's going to prompt us to open it in Excel. So I'm going to go ahead and click that and click just once. And there you go. So now we have managed to open this particular file in our Excel file. So again, this is the one from LibreOffice, and this is the one from Excel. So yeah, that's how it is. I hope this video helps you out, everybody.